Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the LG watch. This is LG W7 smartwatch. If you face any issue in your watch, like now the time is 8:38 minutes, and if the hands are not correct in your watch, then you have to calibrate your watch. So now I am going to show you how to calibrate your watch. So just press this button of your watch. This is menu button. Okay, now it will show you the menu options. There are a lot of menus you can see. I have also downloaded the application from Play Store. You have to go to this app. The app name is Master Tools. If you can see it, Master Tools, and then click on it and go to calibration. Once you go to calibration, you have to set your minute hand and hour hand on upper side on a 12 o'clock. So first I will try with the hour hand, minute hand, because it is misplaced somewhere. So just press plus button, plus icon, click on plus, it will move ahead, and if you press minus button it will go backwards. You can see it. Okay, now I have corrected this, and after correcting your hands, just click on correct check mark button. Done. Now it is showing you the right time. If you want any more videos, please let me know in the comment section, and so I can upload more videos about this watch.